I recently taught a gelatin printing class using a 5x7 plate and very simple supplies. We cut stencils out of paper. You can see that right there. But it's amazing the prints that you can make with very limited supplies. We also only had 5 colors of paint, so black, red, yellow, blue, and white. And these are just some of my simple demo prints. I think that if you look at the results you get off a dirty plate, it really looks like abstract art. I did some teaching people about registration. I love some of these very abstract looking pieces here, but again, you don't need a lot of tools to make really amazing prints. The thing about gelatin printing is you can be an absolute beginner and make super cool pieces, or you can be someone who's done it for years and find new things to explore and experiment with. If you're interested in gelatin printing, please check out my year-long class in gelatin printing. It starts in 2021.